PLAIER functions a bit like a football brain that never sleeps, constantly digesting an enormous global data set covering players, matches, leagues, and tactical systems. Its foundation is one of the largest football databases in the world, which gives its models the raw material needed to spot behaviors that aren't obvious even to seasoned analysts. Neural networks and other machine learning techniques are trained on this sea of information, learning to recognize patterns across thousands of in-game events, pressing triggers, passing lanes, body orientation when receiving the ball, the timing of runs, spatial awareness under pressure, and far more subtle cues that don't appear on traditional stat sheets. Because the system ingests match footage alongside event data, it can blend numerical indicators with spatial and contextual understanding. A player's pressing efficiency, for example, isn't just counted as how many times they close someone down. PLAIER measures how effectively that action disrupted build-up play, whether it happened in the right area of the pitch, and how it aligned with the team's tactical structure. Positional awareness is treated the same way. The platform compares where a player should be, given the team's shape, with where they actually move during live play. This helps identify players who understand the game at an intuitive level, even if the highlight reels don't capture it. One of the platform's genuinely clever features is its ability to test players inside hypothetical tactical systems. By simulating different match scenarios, such as high-pressing environments, compact defensive blocks, or rapid transition systems, clubs can get a realistic sense of how a player who shines in one league might adapt to a different style of play. A forward who thrives in wide-open games may struggle in a league that demands tight combination play in the half spaces. PLAIER can run those simulations before a club commits millions to a transfer. It's very much a measure twice, cut once philosophy, grounded in maths and modeling instead of hunches. The simulations work because PLAIER's models understand not just individual abilities, but the relationships between players and systems. Tactical adaptability becomes something measurable rather than a speculation. Clubs can explore questions like, how would this midfielder function in a double pivot versus as a lone six? Would this winger contribute effectively to a high-energy press, or would the system have to compensate for them? How does a defender's anticipation hold up when facing quicker transitions or more physical strikers? By running these scenarios at scale, PLAIER can surface insights that would take analysts months of manual video work to uncover. Ultimately, PLAIER acts as an analytical partner that helps clubs reduce uncertainty in recruitment and performance planning. It's still up to coaches and scouts to decide whether a player's mentality, character, and ambition fit their vision,